So these are how this plant started, and I cut down some of these leaves because they were in my way, and so I threw them down here. And as you can see, there's some that are still nice and green and lush, but as the insects and other soil creatures have gotten to them, like earthworms and stuff, they have eaten the nice green organic matter, and they have turned it into this dirt. I mean, it's going to be much smaller, but that's the concept. And so they have just skeletonized this leaf. All that easy to go organic biomass, they have now released it back into the soil so that the plants I want to grow, like this roselle or this jackfruit, they now have a lot more fertilizer and a lot more nutrients to get. So why would you throw away these valuable resources? So like this banana peel, these eggshells, corn cobs, these cantaloupe seeds. So this was a cantaloupe I bought from the store. I threw the seeds out, one sprouted and gave me a cantaloupe. And here you can see that they are trying to do it again. If it gives me a cantaloupe, awesome. If not, they are putting air back to the soil. They are shading the ground. They're creating biomass. All of that is going to be amazing. You want to create living soil. If you have the space, I highly recommend to compost or to just compost in place like I'm doing here, because if you can provide the nutrients and the organic matter and create living soil, the plants will do the rest. Like they can't go anywhere, so they are only stuck with what you can give to them. So like this one, this is pigeon pea. This is an awesome plant because it literally takes nitrogen from the air and converts it into nutrients for itself. So if you have this, you could just take some cuttings and throw it again to a plant that you do want. So say like this plantain. It's got some sunspots, so it's a little bit burned, but once it gets adjusted to this area, it is going to be so big and so lush. So the Seminole pumpkin, it's going to shade the ground and make it, the roots for this, easier to grow. Just let nature do its thing is what I'm asking. So this is my garden, guys, and I'm so proud of it.